Oh, I'm so sick of this. I'm tired. What's up, YouTube fam?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
This is your girl CURLYCANDI, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do some really cute and juicy mini twists in your hair. So this hairstyle is real quick and simple. There's not really much to say or to show you, but I'm just going to go ahead and tell you guys what products I use and then show you how I put the twist in my hair. So when I saw other tutorials of people doing the mini twist, I noticed that majority of them did it on dry hair because they were trying to retain their length. And I didn't feel like blow drying my hair, so I did it mine on wet hair. But I was looking on a solution to try to retain as much length as possible and avoid shrinkage. So what I did is I used this SheaMoisture, what is this, red palm oil and cocoa butter line. So after I wash my hair with my shampoo, I use this leave-in or rinse out conditioner, and it says it's curly, coily, shrinkage prone hair, so it's supposed to help with shrinkage. So I use this as my leave-in conditioner, and then after I put my leave-in in, I just put the SheaMoisture red palm oil and cocoa butter curl stretch pudding all over my hair. And I feel like it is retaining some of my length, because I know without it, when my hair is dry, it'll be like right here. So I am getting a little bit of my length. I'm retaining some of it, but I mean, I guess if I blow dried my hair, it would have been down there or something, but it's okay. I mean, I like the shoulder length, so I'm happy with it. Okay, but anyway, let's get started. Alright guys, so right here I'm just sectioning off my hair and getting the rest of it out of my way so I can work on these mini twists. And I'm using my handy dandy wet Line Xtreme gel to style it, but before that I'm going to use the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine and coat my section with it just so my twist can be juicy and shiny and get that glistening look, you feel me? And then I'm just taking a smaller section of my hair for the mini twist. I'm just going to use my water bottle to wet my hair a little bit more and my bootleg diamond brush, because I can't afford the real one, to detangle my hair. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of the wet Line Xtreme gel to coat my hair. And I'm going to go back through with the bootleg diamond brush so I can make sure that the gel coat each strand. And now I'm just going to do a 2-strand twist. I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory, you just twist it. And here I just added a little bit more product to the ends because it was feeling dry and crusty. So yeah, you just twist it, and then I don't twist all the way to my ends. I just twist it about, I guess 1/3 down, I guess. And then I just wrap the rest of it around my finger. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut up and let you guys watch the rest of the video. What's up, guys? All right, I'm back. I just wanted to give you guys a better look at my hair because I didn't really record the ending of it when I was doing it because I was tired. I was ready to go to bed. I had to go to work in the morning. So this is what it looks like now on this is like day 4. But you know, you see they're still juicy, they still popping, you know, I'm still cute in these streets. But yeah, I like it. One thing, if I could say anything about not the twist, but the products that I used, was that this the SheaMoisture Curl Stretch Pudding, which is supposed to help with shrinkage, I don't think it helped at all. I don't know, I wasn't expecting it to like give me all my length, but I feel like this is like the normal length I have when my hair is natural. Like I don't feel like it gave me any type of extra length. This is the same shrinkage I feel like I always have, but I don't know. I'll probably try it again on a wash and go and see, like do one side with the stretch pudding products, then one side with just my regular wash and go products to see if there's actually a difference. But just from doing this twist out, I don't know. I don't really see a difference with my shrinkage. But anyway, yeah, the twists, I love them. I do wish I would have made them smaller, but I was just getting tired and I was getting lazy. But I will definitely try it again and do actual mini twists, I guess, and do them smaller. But this right here took me 5 hours alone. And another reason why I'm happy about this hairstyle is because I'm hoping I can actually get 2 hairstyles out of this when I take these twists loose. Like, I'm hoping to have a bomb twist style. I hope it come out cute. I hope this twist out be pop when I take these out. I might record it. It depends on how I look. I don't know. But anyway, guys, I will see you guys next time. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your girl's channel. What are you waiting for? Don't y'all want to see me glow up? I'm trying out here in the street. Help me, help you, help me, okay? So don't forget, subscribe to my channel, become part of the Curly Candy crew, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.